Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my site Kesita Farm once again. Last video I have shown you how to start seed germination process. So today we'll continue on that and complete that series. So in this episode I'm going to show you the result of our last seeding that we did 2 weeks ago, and then we'll finish the seed germination process, seed planting today. Also, the seed germination system I tried to show in the last video, but it seems that did not came very clear, so I'm trying to show it again. So my seed germination system is nothing but a table with the top removed, and then I placed a two tube light system with four tube lights. I've removed two tube light right now, but you can see the one tube light system here and one is right here. So once the table with two tube light, and then also the bottom of that will be this mat, so that makes this is a heating mat, so that makes the ideal uh, seed germination system, and the result is in front of you. So right now this is February 9th, and as you can see the plants are germinated pretty well. This is the pot that I have planted last 2 weeks ago. As you can see, the first half of tray is pretty nicely, plants are pretty nicely germinated, and other halves are not. So what happened is cabbage and broccoli plants came very well. I ran out of cauliflower seeds, so they are sparsely generated, just 3 plants, and kale also did not germinate very well. But cabbage and broccoli plants are more or less germinated, and they should be ready to transplant to other pot in next 2 weeks. So today is February 10th, and I'm going to do most of the seed planting today because this will give enough time for summer vegetables. 2 weeks ago I planted the spring or winter vegetable, which are kale, cauliflower, cabbage, but now today I'm going to uh, plant seeds for hot pepper, hot jalapeno pepper, tomato, Roma tomato and beef stick tomato, eggplant, and also pepper. Today I'm also going to plant hot chilies, uh, Thai chili small and also medium. These plants should take roughly 2 weeks to germinate, and then after that I'm going to transplant them. Today I'm also going to replant cauliflower because they did not germinate very well last time, and also because I ran out of the seed. So I'll show you uh, in the next few minutes. I'll show you how to go about planting these seeds. As you can see now, these trays are ready, filled with Jiffy's seed starting mix. Now approximately how much seed starting mix should go in each cell? I think you just leave maybe like 1 or 2 centimeters space and fill the remaining, fill the whole complete hole with the seed starting mix, or you can leave up to half-inch space, half-inch left. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to plant the seeds into this. Now this is a 72 cell container pot, so I'm going to roughly put uh, approximately 2 to 3 seeds in each cell. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put seeds, 2 to 3 seeds in each of the cell, and then I'm going to top it with a little bit of seedling mix again. So as now you can see, the seeds are there in all the cells. The last thing to do is cover those seeds with the topsoil seedling mix, and just cover them barely, maybe 1 or 2 centimeter, and then lightly tap. I'm going to lightly tap these seeds. these cells. So okay, so as you can see now, all the seeds are planted, and also the on top of that seedling mix is put. So as you can see, the seeds are pretty much planted, and I have also covered them with uh, seedling mix. So the next thing in the process is to water them. So I'm gently going to water on top of this container, and then I'm also going to fill the container with water. These seedling need to be watered every 2 to 3 days. This seed germination container also came up with a top cover, and if we want, we can cover this, but generally I find this is an inconvenience, so I don't use that. So I'm simply going to water them, and then put them inside our seed germination system, and hopefully in 2 to 3 weeks we are going to see all these seeds germinated, just like the one we got, this one from 2 weeks ago. So now finally all seeds are planted, and they are watered, and they are now under the seed germination system. So what we need to do is just give these seeds water every second, third day, and hopefully in next 2 weeks these will germinate. So please wait for my next video, and by that time uh, we'll start transplanting the first batch to a bigger container also. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again in 2 weeks. Bye.